We do a lot of kitting for our customers. We had a situation a couple of years back, 2023, where we had lost a vendor that was doing some kitting for us. Through Doug's relationship with Mitsubishi, we were able to find you guys actually, which worked out very nice. And then we met with Tara and Tim down at Life'sWork, and they were able to quote the product. Pricing was good, and we really started rolling out in, probably April of 2023.
My immediate reaction was like, wow, this is such a cool opportunity to put business and people together and really have that true connection with a community.
The consistent work that Supply Technologies is able to provide to our individuals, not just at our Pittsburgh location, but also at our Monessen location, has been wonderful to keep everyone actively and meaningfully employed. That they see this value of what they're doing as they consistently are able to create these kits, and they see the need that Supply Technology is asking for more, and the quality, and you just see everybody working together as a team to meet the goals that Supply Technologies has.
I think the value that they've brought to us is we've been able to eliminate the need for my guys to actually have to make kits on the fly because we're getting consistent deliveries. That's probably the biggest benefit that we've seen in value, is that my team can spend their resources on other issues within the company.
Not everybody, wakes up every day understanding exactly what we do, and the people at Life'sWork are getting hands-on experience. It's benefiting them, it's benefiting our company, and it's benefiting the community.
When they incorporate all individuals and give purpose in life, it really works well for all involved. And with Life'sWork, when we got the ability to work with them and found out more about it, it was a very good fit for Supply Technologies. It's wonderful to see what they're doing for the people that work for their company.
The individuals we serve love working on Supply Technologies because there's so many different aspects to it. Some of them work as a team to create the kits. There's also sealing the kits up, making sure that they are done, moving the materials. So there's so many different aspects to creating a kit that allows everyone to either learn new skills or enhance their current skill set.
The impact's been great. Tara and her team are very responsive. We get continuous supply, never any hiccups, and probably the best thing is we've had no issues with quality. Her team does an excellent job.
At Supply Technologies, we do believe that we are definitely more than just a supplier. We are a partner in every way. We love to partner with communities and people in communities.